In this lecture, we will talk about cytoskeleton. What is cytoskeleton? Just like every animal which have skeleton in their body, cell also have skeleton which is called cytoskeleton, which is present in the cytoplasm of the cell, which have basic role in support, shape and motility of the cell. Cytoskeleton gives structural support to the cell. Mechanical support maintain its shape. Fiber act like a geodesic dome to stabilize and balance opposing forces. Provide encourage for organelle. Fix organelle at respective places inside the cytoplasm. Dynamic rule dismantle in one spot and reassemble in another to change cell shape, like amoeboid movement, cyclosis, etc. The cytoskeleton is a network of fiber extending throughout the cytoplasm. The cytoskeleton organizes the structure and activities of the cell. This is the figure of microfilament type of cytoskeleton, which form network-like appearance. The cytoskeleton also play a major role in cell motility. How? This involves both changes in cell location and limited movement of parts of the cell. The cytoskeleton interact with motor protein. With the help of motor protein, they move cell organelle from one place to another inside the cytoplasm. Cilia, flagella, and also thin filament and thick filament, which is present in the cytoplasm of the muscle cells, which are responsible for the contraction and relaxation of muscles. Is this all is types of cytoskeleton. Motor molecule also carry vesicle or organelle to various destinations along monorail provided by the cytoskeleton. Interaction of motor protein and the cytoskeleton circulate material within a cell by streaming. In the diagram you can see microtubule, a cytoskeleton on which motor protein carry organelle by using ATP from one place to another. Recently, evidences is accumulating that the cytoskeleton may transmit mechanical signal which help in the rearranging of the nucleoli and other structure. Cytoskeleton have three main types: microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament. We will discuss one by one. The first type, microtubule. Microtubule are the thickest, hollow rod about 25 micron in diameter. Microtubule are constructed made of tubulin globular protein which is called tubulin. They move chromosome during cell division, which is responsible for the equal division of chromosome during mitosis, meiosis, which form three types of fiber: astral, kinetochore and polar. Another function is track that guide motor protein. Motor protein, which we talk about, which transfer material from one place to another, carry through microtubule. In animal cell, the centrosome has a pair of centrioles, each with 9 triplets of microtubule arranged in a ring. Centrosome, which consists of pair of centrioles which help in cell division, also made of microtubule. This is centriole, pair of centriole, centrosome made of microtubule, which is made of 9 triplet of microtubule. At the left side is the electron micrograph picture of centriole. Microtubule are the central structure supporting cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella are also made of microtubule. Cilia flagella both can move unicellular and small multicellular organism by propelling water past the organism, like Paramecium, which have cilia all over its body, move with the help of cilia. Bacteria which contain one or many flagella, with the help of flagella, bacteria move from one place to another. Cilia are also present in the epithelium of nose and trachea, which remove debris from the dust particle from the trachea. Cilia usually occur in large number and all over the surface of the unicellular organism or epithelium of respiratory system, etc. They are about 0.25 micron meter in diameter and 2 to 20 micron long. They are usually just one or few, but flagella are just one or few per cell. Flagella are the same width as cilia, but 10 to 200 micron longer than cilia. A flagellum has undulatory moment. Force is generated which produce parallel force to the axis of flagellum. This is male gamete sperm cell of human, which contain long flagella, which help in the movement of sperm cell along a oviduct, female reproductive tract. But cilia move like oar with alternating power and recovery stroke. They produce force perpendicular to the cilia axis. This is the moment of cilia. This is the figure of paramecium, which have cilia all over its body. This is the structure of cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella have common internal structure. This is the cross section. The outer layer is the duplet of microtubule, and inner and center have two duplet of microtubule. One duplet of microtubule, which is also called exonium. This is the structure of cilia, and both cilia and flagella which have a common structure. The second type, microfilament, is the thinnest class of cytoskeleton or solid rod made of globular protein actin, which consists of twisted double chain of actin subunit. Microfilament are designed to resist tension with other protein. They form a three-dimensional network inside the cytoplasm. Muscle cell which contain myofilament are also contain microfilament, which is responsible for the contraction and relaxation of muscle cells. Contain thousands of actin filament arranged parallel to one another, which have thick filament composed of motor protein. Myosin molecule walk along with actin filament, pulling stacks of actin fiber together and shortening the muscles. The muscle cell contain actin myosin protein, which made microfilament responsible for the contraction and relaxation of muscle cells. Microfilament is also responsible for the division of cytoplasm, which is called cytokinesis. The movement of microfilament is also responsible for the movement of pseudopodia, for example in amoeba. The cytoplasm movement, cytoplasmic streaming, which is also called cyclosis, is also due to the microfilament, which help in the distribution of material within a cells. Intermediate filament have intermediate size, 10 to 12 nanometer, are specialized for bearing tension, which are made of diverse group of subunit from a family of protein called keratin. They also reinforce cell shape and pegs organelle in their respective position. This is the shape of the microvilli of the intestinal cells, supported by microfilament anchored to a network of intermediate filament. This is the electron micrograph picture of intermediate filament and microfilament, which contain in the microvilli, which is above the villi of the intestine. Inside the intestine, in the intestinal lumen, this is the electron micrograph picture. This is the comparison of microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filament. Microtubule is hollow tube wall consists of 13 column of tubulin molecule. Microfilament is made of actin protein. Intermediate filament is fibrous protein, form of thick cable. Second is their diameter. Microtubule is 25 to 15 nanometer in microfilament, 7 nanometer in diameter, and intermediate 8 to 12 nanometer in diameter. Microtubule is made of tubulin protein. Microfilament is made of actin protein, and intermediate filament is made of keratin. Microtubule main function is maintaining of the cell shape, compression and resisting, help in compression and resist against pressure, help in cell motility in case of cell and flagella, movement of chromosome during cell division, movement of organelle inside the cytoplasm. Microfilament function is maintaining cell shape, change the shape of the cell, muscle contraction, cytoplasmic streaming, cell motility, cell division, division of cytoplasm, cleavage, furrow formation during the division of cytoplasm, pseudopodia moment. Intermediate filament function is also maintaining cell shape, encourage of nucleus and certain other organelle, formation of nuclear lamina. The network skeleton of inside the nucleoplasm, which is called nuclear lamina. This below is the structure figure of the microtubule, tubulin dimer, actin subunit and protein subunit.